This is the ELEMIS morning cream that you're going to use every single morning. So this is the Superfood Day Cream, and it's a prebiotic. And if you know anything about probiotics and prebiotics, they're super good for your gut, but also really good for your skin. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a pump style. That's how it comes out. So it's a nice thicker day cream, and you're just going to rub it into your cleansed skin, your dry skin. I don't have any makeup on yet. And it's gonna give you that beautiful skin every single day. Nice and moisturized, a prebiotic. I love the way it feels. It smells incredible. It goes on very easily. For me, my biggest concern is just dark spots and wrinkles. So this has really helped with all of that and just helps my skin look the absolute best. So highly recommend it.